Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make DIY holiday coasters. First you'll need glitter, some plain coasters, a printout of the image you want to use, Mod Podge, ink, and the stamps. First take your coaster and cut out your printout, making sure that it will fit on the coaster. Place some Mod Podge onto the coaster and then stick your image on top. Repeat this by placing more Mod Podge over top of your image. Next, you can add glitter if you'd like to, and let it dry. For the next one, you'll need some tissue paper. Here I am just cutting it up into little pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect. Place some more Mod Podge onto your coaster so that you can stick the tissue paper on top of it. And place some more Mod Podge over top to stick everything down. Let that one dry. For the last one, you will need your stamps and your ink. I used the word holidays. Place your stamp in the ink and then place it onto the coaster. Once that's done, you can add some Mod Podge. And some glitter on top. Let it dry, and there you have your coasters. Thanks for watching.